Welcome to the second module content of Indian knowledge system. In the Indian knowledge system, we will see what exactly it is going to happen. But here, he has told about humanities and the societies in the second module. So in the second module, we will be discussing about the traditional knowledge in humanities and science, linguistics, number and measurement, mathematics. We are going to discuss chemistry, physics, art, astronomy. All these things are discussed in details. So trade in India, trade in India with respect to engineering and technologies, it is also discussed. So we'll see what is the linguistic aspect it is covered in the second module. Linguistic, it is the scientific study of language covering its structures, meaning and context. It is broadly classified into phonetics and phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics and pragmatics. So Sanskrit has played a crucial role in linguistic studies, especially due to Panini Ashtadhyayi, which provides a rule-based and highly structured approach to language. So Ashtadhyayi, it is Panini's grammatical masterpiece. So Ashtadhyayi is the oldest known systematic grammar of any language. It consists 3,959 rules governing Sanskrit phonetics, morphology and syntax. Further, it introduces meta-rows, recursion and rule-based derivation, which resembles modern computational linguistics. Its structured approach has influenced natural linguistic processing, that is NLP technique, and artificial intelligence. So here, the grammatical masterpiece, that is Ashtadhyayi Panini, has given a lot of contribution to the grammatical aspect, which is composed by Panini. So what are linguistics? It is the scientific study of the language. Here it has got highly structured aspect. What are the computational aspects of Sanskrit is Panini's grammar, often called as the first algorithm grammar. The key computational features are finite set of rules for infinite sentence, rule-based transformation, hierarchical structure. So the finite set of rules is for infinite sentence, how to frame the grammar. For the sentence, what all it is done for big sentence. So rule-based transformation is like programming languages, how you frame the rules to form the sentence. Further, it is hierarchical structure. It is making applicable to machine learning and the neuro-linguistic program technique. So Sanskrit's morphological precision allows natural language generation and machine translation. Mnemonics in Sanskrit. So here it is Smriti based learning, means Smriti means recalling. So Sanskrit text uses mnemonics for memorization. For example, chandas in the Vedas, shlokas in Bhagavad Gita are designed for easy recall. These techniques have applications in memory enhancement and cognitive science. Recursive operation in Sanskrit is recursive is a key concept in both grammar and computation. So Panini rules allow nested rule application and similar to how computer programs use recursion. Examples are over conjunctions apply recursively based on root rules. So what are the rules in the computational aspect of Sanskrit? So in the Panini grammar, it is often called as first algorithm grammar. So there will be a finite set of rules for infinite sentence generation. Rule-based transformations like in programming language, hierarchical structure making it applicable to machine learning and NLP. Sanskrit morphological precision allows natural language generation and machine learning translation. So here, when Panini framed the computational aspect for the usage of Sanskrit, here he first framed the algorithm of grammar which has to be used. He used the set of rules which has to be formed for different part. So when we go with the rule-based operation in Sanskrit is there will be a finite set of rules that can generate infinite number of sentences and also the sequences. So here A plus B it is used for formation of the sentence. So that is known as Sandhi rule. So verb plus suffix, that will be a word. So dhatu plus pratyaya, that is going to give pada. If sentence formation is allowed, it follows a flexible and structured syntax. Word order, it is not rigid due to case-based grammar. So like this, here is specify some example. It is Rama Pustakam Patati. So means Rama reads a book. Pustakam Rama Patati. Pustakam, also Rama reads a book. So both are, the sentence are being framed, but it gives same meaning. So here this flexibility allows easy machine translation applications. So what are the verbs and prefixes used in Sanskrit? So the verbs used in the Sanskrit are dhatus, are root based and undergo transformation. So uh, here he has told how the prefix has to be modified by using verb meaning. So role of Sanskrit in natural language processing. So here it is Sanskrit is being explored for AI and NLP applications due to well-defined grammatical structure. So rules-based operations which match programming logic. Semantic clarity aiding machine translation and sentiment analysis. Applications are chatbots and virtual assistants. AI-based language learning tools. So all these things are the verb and prefix which is going to happen. So in the next video, I will be discussing about the number system followed in India, who all contributed for the number system for physics, mathematics, and chemistry, how they contributed. We'll see in detail.